The RIDGID 50313 compact vacuum cleaner is a robust cleaning machine equipped with a powerful 5-peak horsepower motor, providing exceptional suction for both wet and dry messes. This vacuum is designed with a 4-gallon capacity and weighs only 14 pounds, making it highly portable and easy to transport and store. Included with the vacuum are several convenient accessories such as a car nozzle, noise muffler, and a fine dust filter, all of which can be stored on board for added convenience. The Qwik filter fastening system allows for quick and tool-free filter changes, enhancing the user experience by making maintenance straightforward and hassle-free. An ergonomically designed handle and an extra-long 20-foot power cord ensure comfortable use and extended reach, making it ideal for large cleaning areas. This vacuum represents the dependable and innovative craftsmanship of RIDGID, trusted globally by professionals in numerous industries for their demanding cleaning needs.